first sale, and it's a good one. We're going to show you the good ones right up front to save you time if you don't have much time, so that you can see the best sales we made between Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's take a look at this one. This is a bowling ball we bought at a garage sale. I had just shown this bowling ball in this video that I released on Monday, and I'll put a link to it below so that you can check it out. We bought this bowling ball along with the hard case bowling ball case for $2. So we got $57.77 for it, plus the shipping. This was an awesome sale. My girl Leslie found this at a thrift store. It was $2.99 plus the tax, but we got 15% off because we qualify for the senior citizen rate. Took us a long time to get here, so we got it. Witch's Brew by Charles Wysocki. She picked this up and she looked it up to do comps and couldn't believe it. We listed it for $71.77 plus the shipping, and we got her sold. Didn't take very long either. So that was a great buy that my girl found. She's amazing. iRobot Roomba. Picked this up at a garage sale for $10. Sold fairly quickly. My girl Leslie found this one. Made a nice little profit. Sold it for $47.77, $26.04 shipping. Another good flip. And the good sales just kept a coming while we were having a blast with family. We sold this Sanyo VCR for $57.77 plus the shipping of $24.14. It's really kind of cool selling this kind of stuff while you're having fun. Just can't seem to do a video without having a Kirby part in the video. This is another one. Sold the power head nozzle to this Kirby for $41.77 plus the shipping. Just put together a video that recently that we sold two other parts of this. We sold the bag for $57.77 plus the shipping, and we sold the power cord for $27.77. And we only paid $25 for the entire vacuum. Nice returns. Griffin Shine Master Shoe Shine Box. These things are vintage. We pick them up whenever we find them. However, I'm not going to pay as much as I used to because the prices have come down on them. But because of our pictures and things, we do get them sold. We did pick this one up for $4. I'm not going to pay much more than that for them, maybe $5, $6. But we got her sold for $21.77 plus the $17.47 shipping. They're easy flips. Hey there. If you're enjoying this video, will you please take the time to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and click that bell so that you can get future notices of our current videos. Leslie and I are having a blast doing this. We hope you're enjoying them, so let's get back to the video. Thank you to those of you that have been to our channel before and continue to watch our videos. We greatly appreciate it. For those of you that may be new here, I'm going to share with you what we consider smalls. At Fletch Flips, we buy things that we may only make $12 or less on. Nothing wrong with that. We consider those smalls, but smalls do add up to some cash. And then at the end of the video, we're going to show you what they can add up to because they can make you some money. The other cool thing about it is if you're limited on space and don't have room to be storing the types of things that we sell, the large items and what have you, smalls are a way to go. You can buy things so cheap at garage sales and estate sales and thrift stores, such as this power cord here. We bought the whole entire Presto salad shooter for like a couple dollars. And we pieced it out. We sold all the individual pieces. They're simple to list, they're simple to ship, and they make you money. We sold this for $6.77 plus the shipping of $5.23. So what the heck? You throw it in a bubble bag and ship it. And we ended up making a profit on this of $5.49. You know what? To pay a quarter for something and make $5.49, it beats the heck out of putting the money in the savings account. Let's take a look at another one. They don't get much simpler than this. Just a simple black and white blade putter head cover. Picked it up at a garage sale for a quarter. It's simple, as I said. We sold this for $5.77 plus $5.23. And we cleared a profit of, I don't have that written in here yet. We'll show you at the end. These things don't break. One more thing that you put in a bubble mailer, slap a label on it, and it's on its way. They're adding up. A DeWalt carry case for an impact wrench. Picked this up at a garage sale. What did I pay for this? I paid $2 for it. You can usually always pick these up for $1 or $2. People have them in here. But you want to know what it goes to. This one had this label on the end that shows, and it told you exactly which wrench it went to. So that really makes it simple. I don't buy them if I can't figure out which tool they go to. Just to keep that in mind. Paid $2 for it, sold it for $12.77 plus $12.48 shipping, and we made a net profit on that of $10.07. That's a $10 bill in my pocket, and these things don't break. They use them on the job, toss them around, throwing them in their trucks and everything. Why are they going to break putting them in a box or a poly bag and shipping it? They're super simple. I love super simple, and you will too. So get going at it. Now these are something that can break. I just did another video earlier, a week or two ago, saying how I'm not going to do these any longer. I still had these in inventory. I can package them up, and they won't break. I haven't had one break in a long time. Knock on wood. You never know. But these things we sold for $17.77. We bought them for $2 for the pair of them at a garage sale. Packaged them up, got the $13.24 for shipping, and nice and secure. And we made a net profit of $13.08. Doesn't even qualify as a small. But I'm really questioning if I want to still mess around with these things. I don't think there's enough money in it because it takes some time to package them and some materials. So you might want to think about it before you go grabbing them. Get it? Grab it. See it? Grab it. We're having so much fun. Can't hardly stand it. Mr. Coleman shows up again. Coleman lanterns. If you've watched our videos, you know we sell a lot of them, a lot of parts. Hardly ever sell the entire lantern as a whole. Always take them apart, sell the parts, make far more money. Lanterns can turn into a $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100 profit on one lantern. I don't pay more than $10 for them, depending on what they are. You can get $50, $60, $70 for some of the globes alone, the glass globe, and they are easy to ship because they're so light, and you package them up with bubble wrap and stuff. You can drop them on the floor and they're not going to break because there's just not enough weight to give it enough jarring to make it break. I've never had one break, and I've shipped a lot of them. So always grab them when you find them. So we sold this one $14.77. This is simply the lid that goes on top, and you can see the condition. I mean, it wasn't in the greatest condition, but someone wanted it, and this happened to come off one from 1985. As I've stated before, Coleman always puts the dates on the bottom of their lanterns, so you take a look. And there's people that collect every year, so someone wanted all the official parts, I guess, for this particular lantern. I don't know, but they buy them, and I love it. $14.77 free shipping. And net profit on that was, I don't have that in there yet. You're going to see it just a minute or so at the end and see my geeky spreadsheet that some people love, other people like, and some people may not even look at it, but that's okay with me. I'm perfectly comfortable for you to feel that way because here at Fletch Flips, we just want you to enjoy every second of our videos. Here's my geeky spreadsheet. I love spreadsheets. If you've been here before, you know the program on these. If you haven't been, we sold 11 items. This is what we spent to buy those 11 items, $39.89 is all. It's crazy. The average days to sell each item was 77. This was the total sale price of all the items, $350.51 on $39.89 invested. I love eBay. Shipping charged $136.12. Our cost to ship was $113.69, and the reason for that is because we had numerous items that most of the items were sold calculated shipping, and I marked that up to cover our expensive packaging and to make a little more money, quite frankly. Nothing wrong with that. We're not a nonprofit organization. We're here for profit, and we give great prices. So it's a win-win for the buyer and we as the seller. eBay fees, $63.37. Yep, 365 days a year, eBay advertises our stuff. It's a cheap rate. Our net profit for Tuesday and Wednesday, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, $269.68. Not bad for a couple of retirees on a part-time basis flipping things on eBay. Keep an eye on our channel because you never know what might flip up at Fletch Flips to flip on eBay. Live a crazy good day. And thanks for watching.